So you want to check collision in an area along a path, not just a line. That's sphere trace. It's like sweeping a ball through the world, useful for melee combat attacks, big spells, or anything that should hit more than a pixel perfect line. Now to get this note, just right click and type sphere trace by chain and you will get this note. Now we have example prepared like our previous tutorials where we are taking a delay of 0.5 seconds. Then to start the trace, we have the actor's location, and to end it, we have to take the follow camera and then get forward vector. You can get the get forward vector of the actor itself, it doesn't matter. But for our tutorial purpose, I am actually using the follow camera because we are taking the trace of where the player is looking at. Then we have to specify the distance, so we are multiplying forward vector with 1000 and then we are adding it to location of the player so it can actually go in front of us. Then we are ignoring the actor as self, and because it takes an array, we are making the array. And then the trace channel is visual and the draw debug is for duration. And I think it actually covers it all. So let's just see it in action first. So let's just compile the code and now press begin play. And as you can see on the screen, it's actually hitting the target. Once it hits the target, it actually turns into green. And it started from red as you can see on the screen. But once it hits the cube or the wall or anything you are actually hitting, it turns into green. Now it actually covers a very big area. It is used for short swings, explosions, or wide attack trace. Sphere trace is how you make a combat feel more forgiving and hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.